water popping. Have you ever heard of it? It's a woodworking term, and what it means is when you're sanding a piece of wood or scraping a piece of wood to get it ready for finishing on your project, sometimes you can compress the light fibers in the timber. And what happens is when you apply the finish, it lifts those fibers, and as the finish cures, you will find those fibers create a rough to the touch finish. So how can you stop this? This is where water popping comes in. Just take some water in a spray bottle and just spray it lightly over your timber. Give it a quick wipe so the timber just feels slightly damp. Then leave it. Let it naturally dry. Don't force dry it. Let it naturally dry. When it's dry, get some fine paper and just sand over the whole area before you apply your finish. Now, this is very important if you're using a water-based finish like most finishes are now, because if you don't water pop, what happens is when you apply your finish, the water in the product will water pop and you'll end up with a rough to the touch finish. So give it a try.